Sarah.
And McKenna.
And we are going to teach you how to make our custom flavor, custom creation called Doodle Graham. Yum. And it's a combination of our classic custard with snickerdoodle cookies and a little touch of cinnamon sugar graham crackers.
By the way, it doesn't weigh a gram.
It doesn't. Yes. I don't know how that gram word came to be. We beat our eggs to just make it a little bit smoother, which makes it easier when you add it to the custard. We chop up our snickerdoodle cookies and then chop up
the graham cracker cookie.
You crunch them all up. We'll have our recipe on the website so you can see how many cookies we use. And then 2 squares or rectangles of the cinnamon sugar graham crackers, because you just want a little bit of that graham cracker cinnamon. Crunch it into little pieces, and that's going to be added at the end of your ice cream process. In all of our recipes, we try and use organic, and some of the recipes we have experimented with using A2 milk for people who have sensitive tummies. And in this recipe, we use a combination of white sugar and brown sugar because the molasses seems to go really well with the cookies and the graham crackers.
I don't know what that means, but it tastes good. So.
It does taste good. You're going to cook your custard base till it starts to thicken, and
use our favorite vanilla paste.
Yeah, it's got vanilla bean and vanilla paste, and then actually some vanilla extract. Super good. Highly recommend. All of the custards get strained at the end to remove any of the little goopies, any of the egg whites that get left over. And then once it's cooled,
you pour it into the ice cream maker and kind of make it into ice cream.
Yeah. And you churn it until it gets to be thick before you add your cookie crumbs. That way they stay just a little bit crunchy and they don't completely dissolve into the ice cream. And mix it all up so you've got good distribution. And when it's all the way thick, ready to serve. Sometimes we'll start to put it in the containers slightly before it's fully hard, and then just throw it in the freezer and finish the process. Ready to eat. Yum. That's how you make our Doodle Graham. Thanks for watching.
And remember, eat ice cream.
Yes. Ours is the healthiest ice cream you probably will find.
Okay, Mom, just eat ice cream.
Yes.